All right, here we are up in the attic, and so a little bit of tight quarters here, but basically we're looking at the pitch of the roof. What we're seeing here are probably 135-year-old boards that have mostly been high and dry. I don't see any water damage, nothing at the peak. A lot of little odds and ends, definitely some layers of dust here. Wanted to show these collar ties that we put in. These are the 2x6s here, and they're running from one end all the way over to the other end over there, and then they're tying in to what we did was we put a little ledger board in. So then that, or this rather, is supporting this brace, which is going all the way up to the peak of the roof. So we're at a 45-degree angle. Actually, I measured it. It's a little bit less. It's like 44.6 degrees. So there has been some sagging over time, for sure. And then the whole point of putting these collar ties in here is so that we're going to support the weight of this position going all the way up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut these. What we're going to do is we're going to cut these boards here right at the cross. So then instead of this very narrow little hallway we have here to get into the master bedroom suite, we're going to have this cross brace here, and then the ceiling's going to be up here. So the ceiling's going to run out, and it's only going to run out as far as I've put it there, because what we can see is the other peak starts to interact with it. And so from there, it's just going to be a wall straight up. But this little loft here is going to give us a lot more space here, a lot more of a vault feel to the stairs. And then with the stairs being more vaulted, you know, we'll have a fan up here, we'll get some air circulation. This is really going to kind of open up the house. So then rather than feeling like we have this very narrow little entryway where all of a sudden the bathroom door's on the right, the other bedroom's right there, and the stairs, and you're just kind of really cramped in, it's just going to have a very open and airy feel. Over on this side, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to put the cross bracing there. And then with that cross bracing going across and then tying in here, we're going to put another little ledger board. We'll be able to cut these out of the way. And then this section that's right here is going to become a closet. And then in order to get the most out of the bathroom, which this was the old stoop here, is a 28-inch door, which is kind of narrow, but necessary in these tight quarters. I'm going to 45 this, and then this 45 is going to match a similar angle that we have on the stairs. So this is going to open it up to the bedroom there. This is going to become a linen closet here, because these boards are no longer going to be here. This is going to be able to be recessed. And then with the door on an angle, we're just opening it up where we don't have this very cramped space here. Nothing can be done with the chimney. Chimney's got to stay where it is. Then the bedroom door there is going to open, plus the whole stairs are getting pushed forward. So now they're no longer going to be, if you remember when they came up before, they were right on that door. In fact, they were halfway into the door. So you had a 28-inch door that was there, plus you had 4 inches taken up by a railing for the stairs. So you had to really be skinny to get through there. Today we're going to be working up in the attic. And that's going to be a little bit of work. It's going to be a lot of dusty work, so we're not going to get too much footage while we're up there. And then, well, we're in the middle of winter here, so I'm going to try to get this insulated and sealed up as quick as possible so that all the heat that's coming from the house isn't rising and then going right out the roof. All right, thanks for checking in.